Good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure to be addressing you today. A very important day for cloud computing and data protection in Europe. Cloud computing is the backbone of the digital age and the infrastructure supporting the performance of every sector in our economy. It can bring significant productivity benefits to all. It's for the largest corporations, but also the SMEs, the government, citizens. And it offers scalable, secure services for greater efficiency, greater flexibility, and lower costs. And we have all seen how important digital technologies and cloud computing in particular have been during the COVID pandemic for work from home, remote learning, and vaccine management. But people and businesses will not use what they can't trust. And for many years, the cloud market in Europe suffered from confusion and legal uncertainty, which did not benefit anyone, neither providers nor customers. In my role at that time as a vice president of the Commission for the Digital Agenda, I worked hard with my team to make sure that Europe can get the most benefits from new digital technologies and create a true digital single market. And I'm very happy to see that this work continues after all those years, which proves its importance for the market. In 2012, we presented at that time the European Cloud Strategy, which was designed to speed up the adoption of cloud computing across all economic sectors by increasing harmonization of standards and legal requirements. The strategy also established a cooperation framework among stakeholders for the designing of efficient and innovation-friendly regulatory frameworks. And on this basis, there were many meaningful exchanges in the past years among the European Commission, the data protection authorities, and the cloud community, which led us to today's important milestone, the approval of the EU Cloud Code of Conduct by the European data protection authorities. I didn't expect it to take so much time, but I'm very pleased with the final result. Part of the reason for this delay are the many developments we saw in the past years in the era of privacy and security in Europe. We saw the GDPR coming into force, new cybersecurity frameworks and certifications being introduced, and the code has managed to incorporate successfully all these elements. The code is the first tool approved by data protection authorities to ensure and prove GDPR compliance for all types of cloud services. If successfully addresses the concerns and interests of cloud providers, the cloud users and the authorities, while protecting the rights of hundreds of millions of European citizens. And it is setting a high-quality baseline for future developments in the field of co-regulation. I'm also very happy to see the wide and diverse membership of the code. And I would like to encourage more cloud service providers to get familiar with the code and consider joining. This way, we can create a wide trust ecosystem. And my wish is to see more trust in technology in Europe. Trust in technology so that our European companies can innovate, they can rebuild after the pandemic, and they can create new business models and build new startups. Well, just to conclude, I would like to congratulate once again the European Commission for their support and everyone else involved in this ambitious initiative, which I'm confident will result in more cloud adoption in Europe. And I look forward to seeing you all in person in the very near future. Thank you.